Don't worry about a thing.
Got one of these FATBEAM laser lights, goes up to like 5 milliwatt, and it's faulty, so I'm going to open it up and have a little look, see if I can fix it. What happens is you plug it in and then the laser comes on and then stops after like a couple seconds, so it makes a weird noise as well, so it's probably an easy fix, probably needs a replacement part, but I'm going to have a look, see what I can do with it. Okay, this is inside the FATBEAM laser unit. Yeah, big coil there in the middle, a couple motors, and mic input there, laser obviously is there, power inputs there, and the fan there, sensitivity switch there, and the control board is there, and obviously there's a crystal there, and another mini IC there. Yeah, quite interesting. LC10V1 bin. There's another IC there. And also there's a board here with laser. Yeah. Seems to be two separate lasers. One's an actual laser there, and I'm not too sure what this one does. It might be two lasers, I don't know. Yeah, there's two lasers by the looks of it. So yeah, I'm going to have a little play with it. Right, so I've got the laser to stay on by taking out the fan and plugging the laser in the fan. So yeah, quick easy fix. So if you're doing a set, DJ set or whatever, and your light stops, it's a quick easy fix, keep you going through the night. And there are switches on the back, dip switches, so that you can set the motors. So you might have to reconfigure the switches on the back to keep the motors spinning, because the last thing you want is one little laser light pointing in one direction for a prolonged time. Could be an issue, so you obviously want to change the switch at the back. Now I'll show you the device with the light on. There you go, you see it even with the light on. Obviously you're going to want the fan on as well, but this is just a proof concept where you can just unplug the fan just to make sure your laser works, and it's working fine. Don't know if you can see the red light there. So also there's a sensitivity button, that might help. You could probably rewire it to change the speed of the motors with the sensitivity. That might be a good hack. But yeah, it's making a nice little symphony there. So yeah, it's programmed to do pre-programmed manoeuvres with the motors there. There are actually 3 motors in total. As you can see, there's 2 different lasers. One's a green one, which I haven't tested yet, a red laser, and there's 2 reflective mirrors, one for each of the lasers, and then it rebounds to other 2 mirrors, which are on motors, and then there's another focusing reflector mirror, which has its own motor as well. So there you go, there's all 3 motors, and you can see the lasers running. So yeah, definitely worth playing with these things, especially if they're dead and you've got nothing to lose. But yeah, there's two lasers, there's one laser there and one laser there. That's the green one and that's the red one. And they stay on now. Another thing you could probably do is align the lasers this side, take out all the gubbins, and then you've actually got a 5 milliwatt laser. This is a 3R, class 3R, so it goes up to 5 milliwatt. You might be able to change the diodes and get more out of it. I don't know, I haven't played with it that far yet, but yeah. Quite hard to see, but there you go, there's a laser light doing its thing. Obviously imagine this in a nightclub, it'll be a lot better. I haven't got a lot of space to show what it should look like properly, but yeah, you can see laser lights everywhere and it's mad. It changes as well, like the motors are changing constantly.